Hello, I'm in a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you need to start the vehicle. Usually wait just a few moments for everything to load. In the meantime, you also want to make sure your phone's turned on. And every device is a little different, but you want something like this symbol highlighted in blue, which shows that your Bluetooth is on. And then you're going to open up your Bluetooth menu. It should look something kind of similar to this. At which point, now from your vehicle, there should be a few ways to get to it, but phone, if you've got a phone button here. And then we're going to add new, so 2 to add new. Every vehicle also has a limit to how many phones you can have paired, so you might need to delete one first. So which it actually says here, 5 devices paired, so it's maxed out. Yes, we're going to delete one to add a new phone. Ooh, it's too slow. Phone. If you already have your phone connected, obviously you can just auto connect, but we're going to add new. And then yes, so 1. And then, sorry for this. We're going to add a new. Delete. Oh. Alright, this is the scroll. Sorry for that. So we'll scroll to whichever you want to delete. Obviously need to be quick because it keeps going back. Delete paired, yes. There. So you select with this. Deleting Chris's. So now there's only 4. So now we're going to pair a new phone. Push this again. And then from here you want to make sure your phone is in scanning mode. A little finicky for sure. So phone, pair.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
Alright. So here's Santa Fe Sport. That's what we're looking for.
On your device, select the device name that matches car name on the
passkey,
screen.
which that you want to confirm from here. And now we're connected. So again, we showed how to delete a device, how to activate through all your controls. And you need to be a little quick with it.
Is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
And then that's just to make it easier for taking phone calls with the phone books and whatnot downloaded. But you should also be able to listen to music and things like that. And then I guess from additional information, say you're in a model that doesn't have this phone button here, you might want to try under media to see if there's any listed options here that might have a phone. But if you don't have phone here and you don't have media,
some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
Sorry for the talking. So if neither of those get you to an option where you can add a phone, you can also try voice command controls from here, which in that case you might be able to just talk through to find if you have a phone. But if none of that works, there's a good chance that your model just is not equipped with Bluetooth, unfortunately. A lot of relatively new Hyundais are like that for whatever reason. Fortunately, this model does have it, but a lot of them don't, in which case you might need to invest in like some kind of aftermarket thing you can plug in the aux port that would let you do Bluetooth, or you could get like an aftermarket display that obviously would have whatever features you wanted for what you got, like Bluetooth, Apple Play, Android Audio, all that stuff if you would choose. It does get a little bit pricey, but they're not too bad. Another one's obviously you can just do your old-fashioned, aux plug-in or USB. Call it old-fashioned, but I guess in this context it is. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.